letting Jesus in. I stand at the door and knock. If any man hear my voice and open the door, I will come in to him. Revelation 3, verse 20. How we complicate prayer. We think its effectiveness depends solely on the strength of our faith, the fervency of our emotions, or the clarity with which we articulate our needs. But it is far more simple and profound than that. The Norwegian theologian Ole Hallesby gives one of the best definitions of prayer I have ever come across. He says, "To pray is nothing more involved than to let our Lord Jesus Christ into our needs. To pray is to give Jesus permission to employ his powers in the alleviation of our distress." These words underscore the one spiritual condition God looks for in the hearts of his children. It's helplessness, the realization that our state of affairs is beyond us. He wants us to acknowledge that we're short on wisdom, strength, and the ability to know and do the right, even when we have everything in control. Any utterance, even yearning, that springs from this attitude and is directed toward God is prayer in its purest form. Whether clothed in words or groanings, it ascends to his throne and is heard by our sympathetic high priest. The greatest hindrance to prayer, then, is that we do not consciously maintain a humble dependence upon Ty Lord. Like the Laodicean Christians, we are increased with goods and have need of nothing, and do not know that we are miserable and poor and blind and naked. But when our prayer is based on helplessness, whether we need restoration, victory, guidance, knowledge, or strength, it always opens the door and lets Jesus Christ in. Prayer is the child's helpless cry to the Father's attentive ear, his loving heart, and his strong arm